वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह. Dear students, beta I hope you all are fine. So beta we are doing chapter number 14 and today as you know that we have to start the exercise 14.4. Okay, so beta in this exercise we have to make the triangle. For the construction of the triangle in this exercise we have given the two angles and one length of one side. Okay, so let's do how to do the construction when the two angles and the length of one side will be given to us. Okay, so the first statement is construct a triangle LMN. We need to construct a triangle LMN where the base of the triangle LM should be equal to 5.9 centimeter and the base angles L and M are 30 degree and 45 degree respectively. Okay, so L angle should be 30 degree and M angle should be 45 degree. Okay, so now let's construct a triangle. So first of all we will draw the baseline that should be equal to 5.9 centimeter and the name of the line should be LM. So let's start the construction. So first of all beta I have made here the rough sketch of the figure. Okay, so we should have the L and M should be 5.9 centimeter and on the L point we should have the angle of 30 degree and on the M point we should have the angle of 45 degree. Clear? So let's start. First of all we will draw a line that will be LM with the length of 5.9 centimeter, means only 1 point less from 6 centimeter. Okay, so this you can see I have drawn a line segment with 5.9 centimeter. Okay, so now I have one L point and one M point. On L point I need to construct the angle of 30 degree. Okay, so beta for the construction of 30 degree angle first of all we should have the angle of 60 degree. Okay, so for it first of all we will by taking L as a center point we need to mark an arc which will intersect the baseline. Okay, so we will mark an arc like this from here this point. Okay, we will mark an arc which will intersect at this point. Now by taking the same distance from here we need to mark an arc which will cut the previous one arc. Okay, like this. Now beta when we will make like this, so we will mark an arc like here. This will be the angle of 60 degree which I have made with the help of dotted line. Okay, now beta the half of 60 degree will be 30 degree. It means now if we will do the bisector of we will draw the bisector of 60 degree angle we will get angle 30 degree. So same for this we need to firstly make the place the compass needle on this point. We will draw an arc with any radius we need to draw an arc. Okay, now by taking the another one arc this one as a center we need to intersect this one arc. We will need to draw one more arc. Okay, so at which point the two arcs are intersecting, by passing through this point we need to draw a straight line with the help of scale by passing through the intersection point of these two arcs. Okay, so I have drawn here one straight line and I will give here the name to this point, means till what I have made the line till that point I need to mark the straight line and I will give here the name that is A. Okay, clear? So line segment which we have drawn LA by passing through the intersection point of the arcs. Okay, so now let's move on the next point, means next thing we need to construct here on M point the angle of 45 degree. Okay, so for making the 45 degree angle we need to firstly construct the angle of 90 degree. So first of all I will draw an arc with any radius on the baseline. Okay, with any radius I have to draw an arc. Okay, after drawing an arc I will little extend the M point with the help of dotted line. Now where it seems that it is intersecting it, from that point I will mark here the angle of 60 degree. Okay, and from this point I will mark one more angle of 60 degree, means 120 degree. So this is the construction of a 120 degree angle. Okay, so now after that what we need to do, by taking this point as a center, we need to draw an arc above it at any point with any radius. Okay, from this point again with any radius we need to intersect this arc. Okay, now the intersection point of the arc, by passing through this point we need to draw a line till the M point. Okay, so we will draw a line with the help of dotted lines, so that because this angle is not required, it is not the part of the triangle, we are just making it because we need to draw the another one angle, means we need the angle of 45 degree. For that this angle is required. Okay, otherwise there is no any use of this angle in the triangle. Okay, now after making the 90 degree angle, what we need to get 45 degree angle, so that we will get by doing the bisecting of this angle we can get 45 degree angle. Okay, so from this point we need to mark an arc with any radius. Okay, so I have marked here the angle, marked here an arc like this. Okay, clear? Now after this, from this point here we need to intersect the arc. Okay, clear? With the help of this, like this, when we have intersection it, by passing through the intersection point of it we need to draw a straight line. Okay, so I have given the name of this line, that is B. Okay, like this we need to draw an arc. Now beta, we need to see at what point the line segment LA or MB, where these two lines are intersecting each other, that point we will mark and we will give the name, that is N. So this is the required triangle L, M and N. So on L we have made the angle of 30 degree, sorry, and on M point we have made the angle of 45 degree. Clear? Understood beta? I hope you have understood it and you are able to do the next two sums of this exercise by yourself. Okay, thank you बच्चे, have a nice day. वाहिगुरु जी का खालसा, वाहिगुरु जी की फतेह.